Guys, so today I wanted to show you guys a really simple, easy and quick video on how I usually do my go-to hairstyle, which is a half up half down style. So let's get right into the video, guys. So you're gonna have to pay attention so you don't miss anything. So pretty much what I do is I'll section off my hair into two sections, the top half and the bottom half, and I'll just eyeball how much I want to leave out and how much I want to leave down. Then I secure the top half with a rubber band, and then I pretty much will just fluff out the top half to however I like it. It might take a little while for you to manipulate it, but once I like it, then I'll just leave it as is. And then the next thing I'll do is take my cream of nature argan oil snot gel to smooth my edges to however I like it with an old toothbrush, and then I'll follow up to make sure my hair is moisturized using the Cream of Nature Moisture Curl Hair Milk. So I pretty much want to make sure my hair is nice and full, and to give it that illusion, I'll just put some of the milk on my hands, and then I'll separate my curls as much as possible. And that's pretty much all I do for my go-to hairstyle, and this is how it usually turns out. Nice, easy and simple. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.
Queen in the deck, girl.